gosh, that one smoked it. Welcome back, everybody. So I figured with the cicada plague that's popping up, why not go ahead and try and find a cicada lure and catch some fish with it. So after a little bit of search on Temu, we found this guy. Now, obviously, it being from Temu, we have to make sure that it works, one, and then two, try and catch some fish after that. So it looks like it's top water, and obviously supposed to, I assume, spin a little bit, create probably a bubble trail, somewhat similar to a buzz bait. So let's go ahead and see if we can't catch some fish. We're a little bit at the very tail end of spawn, getting into post spawn, so they should be able to be eating some topwater. But let's see, does it work? I can't really tell. It definitely has disturbance, but oh no, it does work. There's not really a bubble trail, but it does. Those little paddle wheels do turn. So, all right. Well, that's, I guess, the biggest thing. So let's see if we can't catch some fish on it now. All right. Oh yeah, actually at a higher speed, it definitely moves water. So now, are the fish going to be active enough to want to eat? It definitely moves. I'm actually kind of impressed. Not getting a bite off that point is not a great sign because there's always fish there. So I'm a little nervous if we'll have a fish bite, but we'll see. Oh no, I had my first bite immediately. Oh, how unfortunate. Well, hookup ratio, we're 0 for 1. Startled me. I wasn't prepared to have a bite. No, let's see if we can't get him to bite twice. No. Oh gosh, that one smoked it. Of course, it hit the GoPro. I was just wondering if it wouldn't work potentially better just popping along. Oh, he's in the weeds. Instead of just consistently reeling for that buzz. And the first time I did it like that, smoked it. Not a big one. We got little trebles, so I got to be careful. Look at that. Bass do love little cicada lures. Cool. Now I got to get them unhooked. See if we can't catch a couple more. All right, first one. Let him go. He got a little bloody from where he bit that bait. First one. See if we can't catch another one. That wasn't a big one, but this thing works. I'm sure once you get grass in the little wheels, though, it doesn't. So that's something we'll have to take into consideration. Clean it up as much as possible. All right, seems functional. Let's get another one. Well, we had 2 bites and caught 1 fish. Honestly, not awful. The lure clearly works. I think we'll have a little bit better luck if we get a little bit further into post spawn, for sure. But I guess we'll have to come out and try this another day. But I'm not too upset with it, especially for it being, I don't know, like $1 or 2. So we'll come out and fish it again and for sure catch some more fish. All right, it is the next day. Let's see if we can't catch a few more fish on that cicada lure. Still works, so that's good. Oh, got him. Come on, buddy. Came right out of the shallows. You decent? No, not a bad one. Oh, I got hooked funny though. That's why I was able to pull so hard. Kind of got hooked on in the face, but we got him. There we go. Second one on there. Third bite. Almost no time at all. Oh, there's a wake. Got him. He must have followed that for a while. Don't come off. He just barely sucked it under. Ooh. Oh my. He just got some stuff. I don't really want to touch you. Going on in his mouth. Holy cow. All the growths. Gross. Alright, let him go. I don't want to touch this too long. That's what I've been doing. I've been throwing it and reeling it quite quickly, I guess, to kind of like mimic a buzzbait. And it'll make a little bit of a, it's not a buzzbait sound. I don't know how to like really describe it. And it's not necessarily like a cicada per se, but it's like almost like a little bit of a clicking noise. And then when I'm seeing a fish, you know, boil up behind it or something of that sort, or just being able to see a fish, if a fish wakes from somewhere, I'm just reeling it real slow, almost like a popper. And those little wheels just turn just a little bit to create quite a bit of commotion. And that's what we've been getting a couple of bites on. So let's continue down. It looks like topwater is turning on for the season finally. See if we can't catch some more. Oh, got him. Oh man, I missed him. No. Hit it as soon as it hit the water. Shoot. See if we can't get him to bite again. Oh, that was way off. I don't know if he'll bite that. Oh, he did bite it. Missed him. Shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. No, we're all hung up. Can we get him to bite 3 times? Is the question. Oh, the cast wasn't great either. Come on. Oh, got it. That was the laziest bite. I don't know if that was the same fish or not, but there we go. Skinny one. All right, we keep catching them. There's a bunch more out here, so we might have an afternoon here. Got him. Oh, missed him. Oh, still got him. Just ate it off the surface. Not even moving it. Another one. They're fat, just not very big. Oh. Oh, did he miss it? How did he miss it? He literally hit it as soon as it hit the water. How'd that happen? Just gotta do that slow pop in place. Hope he comes back to eat it again. Got him. Oh, he came off. Man, we had him. They're just biting it so light. I don't think we're gonna get him again. Definitely stuck him that time. Got that one. Yeah, the one's right next to shore. I don't know if they're bluegill or bass. The bass definitely seemed to be a little bit further out. That's a small one, but he tried to get that whole thing in there. Oh, both sets of trebles. There we go. Our little one. They were biting well today, which is great for the rest of the season for topwater. Oh, got him. Had to let him eat it. Watched a little wake come out. Barely disturbed the surface when he took it under. It's probably one of the longest ones we caught today. Barely by the skin of his lip. Again, for this being a Temu lure, the hooks aren't bad. The lure works. I mean, I can't ask for much more, especially being, you know, $1, $2, whatever it was. But there we go. The bite shut down considerably. We were catching them every couple of feet before, and now I'm having to work for them. But we're still catching them, so. Well, that is it for today. The bite completely shut off. I have not had another bite for probably about the last like 30 minutes, which is kind of weird. But nevertheless, I couldn't be more pleased with how we did. I don't know how many we caught. We have to be getting close to double digits, but no big ones again. I don't expect a ton out of this pond. If we get anything over 15, 16 inches, I would say it's a pretty solid fish for this pond. But as far as the lure goes, I was actually kind of impressed. The hooks were sharp and did well as far as that goes. Caught a ton of fish that were barely skin hooked, so there's that. The bait is still working as far as the little wheels go. And in all honesty, I like how it kind of sets up as a lure. It's kind of like a mix between a popper and a buzz bait. So you kind of have the opportunity to move it much, much slower than you can for a buzz bait. But at the same time, you have the opportunity to move it quickly, just like a buzz bait and cover water. So kind of the best of both worlds as far as that goes. And it makes a really unique sound. So, but nevertheless, that's it. Apparently bass do love cicada lures, so if you're in the midst of that swarm down there, you know, by all means, might be something to look into. But if you guys like the videos, if you wouldn't mind liking, and as always, if you want to see more videos like it, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be greatly appreciated also. Till the next one.